Hello everyone, this is S.G.M Creations and Tutorials. First of all, I would like to thank everyone, those who supported my channel, my new subscribers. Thank you for your support for my channel. So today's topic, I'm going to show you my project. This is my project. This is BATHRUB. Look at this. This is the transformation of two pieces of a blanket. So all you have to do, the full length of the towel, the blanket I have here, the blanket, this is the blanket, okay? So all you have to do, fold it here like this and like this, okay? Fold it like this and measure the length of your shoulder. Make a stitching on the side, on and the other side also, from the left and from the right, and in the center leave the space for your neckline. So it is like this, okay? So this is the full length of the towel, okay? Then this is, now I'll show you. So this one, then when you fold it, okay, make a stitching here the left and make a stitching on the right side. You have to make a stitching on the other side. So for this arm length or sleeve, you have to cut out from the other blanket because you need two blankets. So all you have to do, just fold like this. Just fold like this, okay? Just fold it and cut it here. It depends on the length of your arm length, okay? So cut it like this and very easy. So this one you have to attach here. You cut this portion and first you have to fix it with the use of the head pin. Fix it with the head pin before you make a stitching in the machine. Okay, I have here the machine and I will show you. So that when you are making the stitching, it will not be moving. So now this is the transformation. But here, so this is the transformation. Look, this is the full. This full bathtub is one piece of complete one blanket, and this sleeves left and right is the part of another blanket, and you have to take, you cut some piece also, you cut from here is straight, make a belt, two pieces for the side. Look at here. So this is the belt here on this side. So I have already attached here and I'm going to attach the other one, and I'm going to fix it on my hips so that when I'm going to sit down in the couch, it is very comfortable for me, or if I lie down in bed, I can, it's very comfortable, okay? Then I'll show you how to attach this one and how to make the stitching for this arm or the sleeve hole here, okay? So look at, guys, when you are going to attach the shoulder or the sleeve, look at this. You start here, look, fold it like this, and you have to use the pin, put a pin here so that it will not be moving when you're going to stitch. And here, make a stitching here, the side, and the other side also make a stitching here. And this center is the neckline. So this is now the transformation, look. So I will show you here. I have here the machine, look. I will show you how to attach this. How to attach this belt, okay? So I hope, guys, you get an idea how I created this. Look, I put in the side the other belt, and the next side, this one, I have to put in here. I have already put a guide here. Look, So look at guys, I have to put the belt here. So this is my machine. Look at here. Just simply make a stitching with the use of the zigzag. I'm using the zigzag stitching. Like that. Just make a stitching twice so that it will be more strong. Okay, or thrice. So this is now the belt. So cut it. And I have here the patches. Look, for the additional design for my collar, I put an embroidered patches, but this is just temporary. And now I'll show you the view or the full view of this. This is now the transformation of the blanket to BATHRUB. So this is it. So look at guys, this is now my BATHRUB. Look at the belt, 2 pieces of belt. So I just put in the hips so that it is very comfortable. So look, I prepared this one because next month is already winter season. So that I can wear this inside the house. Look, this is very long.